In this training, I want to spend a couple minutes walking you guys through this property tracker. And this is a really, really important document. And data is so important, right? And the more data we collect, the more informed and quicker decisions we can make. It goes back to the hot sheets, it goes back to understanding rehabs and numbers and everything. Well, what's just as important as all of that is what has happened in the past. Now, you're going to get offered a lot of properties. You're going to look at a lot of deals. And it's going to be kind of easy to just like forget about them. But this is something I want you to take very seriously and keep track of. I want you to keep track of all of the properties that you're offered and what the outcome is. So, what does this mean? How do we use it? Now, property tracker is really, really straightforward the way it's set up. The date a property is offered, say you got offered something March 30th, 2023. Write down the address, 123 Main. The price you were offered the property at. Say a wholesaler had it, they were offering it to me at $35,000. $35,000. They said the rehab on it was $75,000, and the rehab was $75,000, and they said the ARV on it was $200,000. And source wholesaler, Jim Brown, whoever, right? Whatever, wherever it comes from. And these are the numbers, right? You get them, and for whatever reason, you're like, it's just too tight. You went and looked at it. It didn't work for you. Rehab too big. ARV is off. I think it's 180, right? Whatever you think it is. And then a lot of times that's where we just let the deal die, right? We're just like, all right, whatever, it's not for me. And whether it's the wholesaler, it's an MLS deal, whether it's a deal you went and looked at off market, right? Wherever the source is, we're going to track it just like this. And what's really, really important and what I want you to study is we'll go back to this deal, right? 6 months from now, 3 months from now, whatever, set a reminder. Go back to it. You come back to this deal, let's just say the dates, you go back and you check on the auditor site. Because remember, we know how to use the auditor. It's a tool. We're hanging out. We go on the auditor. We're like, holy cow, Maine just sold. The person that was trying to wholesale to me actually did end up getting $35,000 for it, which was pretty cool. Okay, and it sold at 6/10/2023. It sold for the $35,000. Okay, I wonder, and let me check the auditor site here. So it wasn't a flip because I don't see it listed on Zillow as a flip or anything, and I don't see a transfer on the auditor site. And all right, well, let me look at Zillow. Let me look again. Oh, it's a rental. Okay, so outcome, flip or a rental. Like, was it a flip or a rental? So in this case, it's a rental. And you're like, oh, okay. So it wasn't a flip, so you don't got to worry about a flip price. And now here's the most interesting part: who's the buyer? Who bought that at $35,000? When you kind of thought it was a little too tight, like who bought that? MM Holdings LLC picked it up. Cool. Guess what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna go out and look at the house. I'm gonna hopefully maybe see if somebody's there. Potentially, well, I don't know. But now I'm gonna reverse prospect MM Holdings on the same way that you're taught in reverse prospecting through the auditor, Secretary of State. And you go back. This is so powerful because it gives you this data, and you're going to end up having all this information for specific properties that you looked at, all on this tracker. And I'm telling you to spend in a couple minutes doing this after you get offered something that doesn't fit your criteria will make a difference. Because maybe another one pops up and 213 Main comes up. It gets offered at $50,000. Rehab on it, $60,000. ARV, you say 220, and you're like, whoa. And you don't really got anything to go by. You're trying to pull your comps to do all that, and this was an MLS deal. Notes, ARV is off, more like 180 again, right? You're just stuck at 180. You go back, this is in June 6, 2023. and then you go, you got some time to kill. You're like, oh, I'm going to check out what's going on with 213 Main. Well, crap, 9/2/2023. They ended up dropping this on, I think, for 40,000. Wow, because I see the data. It's on the auditor site. It's not a secret. And they flipped it. Okay, wow. And holy smokes, they sold this thing for $250,000. And in this instance, I'm not worried about the end buyer. This right here under buyer is never end buyer. This is the investor buyer. I'm going to write investor. The investor buyer. The investor buyer. And this one is Stone Lick Properties. And I'm going to go reverse prospect. So keep track of this. This is going to be one of your best friends. It's a really powerful tool, collecting data. We want to understand these areas. And the more we understand, the more money we make. I'm telling you, this stuff matters. The faster you can make decisions in underwrite areas, the quicker you can react. The more money you will make.